What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and this is episode 7 of Clocking Into the Night Shift. We are going to be installing LVP flooring in our back master bedroom. If you've been following along the journey, I actually started in our living room, worked our way over to the dining room, kitchen, down the hallway, and then hit these 2 side bedrooms. And this is the final bedroom that I need to do so I can check off my list on stuff that needs to be done before we can officially move in. If you're new to the channel, me and my wife have spent the past 2 years renovating our house. We had a fire in our garage that caused smoke damage all throughout the property, so essentially we need to rip everything out and start from scratch. So that means new kitchen, bathroom, flooring, everything that needed to be done with a house. You name it, we got it. So now it's fast forward to today where we're so close to being done. We're about a month out from moving in. So enough talk, let's lay some flooring. Those first 2 rows got to be straight and square, and then you just continue to build off that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I laid 2 more planks going to the other side of the room. There is a gap on this side, and what I need to do is I cut a strip that's gonna fit right behind the LVP. If I didn't have that little strip in the back, when I would go to hit it, it would break off or veer off and it wouldn't officially click into place. Setting this as a support, and then you can continue to build your rows off that. All right. First 2 rows complete. Looks good. That was a pretty interesting cut. I'm gonna have to figure out how to transition it from the tile to the LVP. If you guys have any good ideas, leave a comment down below. I read all the comments, even if there's only one, which it's normally my wife. Love you, babe. If you feel like the pattern keeps repeating itself on one side because you continually go from left to right, when you complete a row, you can actually switch it up so you can go right to left, and then that way you can utilize both sides of the cut. That's what I'm gonna do now. So I laid about maybe 7 rows from left to right. Now I'm gonna do the other 7 right to left, and that'll just kind of blend it all together better. Let's do an inventory check to see how much LVP we have left. So we got 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, maybe part of 6.
So we used about 8 boxes so far, so we have 6 left. I think that's plenty. Whatever I have left over, there's some areas all around the house that needs to be pieced up. And then also the stairs, I'm gonna make stair treads that go down to the basement. So I don't wanna use all the flooring, but the remaining, the leftovers, I have a plan for it. We are done. Wow, that was a lot. Currently it is 11:15, 11:17. I am clocking out for the night shift. I just wanted to grind through this bedroom, so I didn't do too much talking, but there are about 3 videos out on the channel right now that just describes all about installing LVP, what LVP I use, the tools you'll need. They're all on the channel below. This is nice because I can just wrap up the remaining flooring and kind of put it away for a bit. I don't want to see a piece of LVP for quite some time. But like I said, I'm out of here. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friend, and I'll see you on the next one.